My name is Adel Lutfenisa. My student ID number is 21141900029. I am from accounting major. Today I want to present about financial. 1. Introducing. It said that if manager expects their subordinates to adopt any of their receipt of characteristics such as frugal qualities in the workplace, managers themselves must promote this culture by walking the talk. As a basis, there must be clarity of concept and an understanding of their distinctiveness. As most court managers are generally non-financial managers, it is vital to make distinction between financial accounting and management accounting. As managers of our respective institutions, we are concerned with management accounting, which primarily related to making decisions related to the financial operations. Examples: financial record management, monitoring and evaluating spending trends, financial management system, financial risk management, the compilation of budget. 2. Financial policies and regulatory compliance, the basis for better financial management. South Africa is generally recognized for having in place credible accountability mechanisms, which are supported by legislative and regulatory provisions. There are statutory institutions such as the Auditor General and the Public Service Commission with an oversight mandate over said institutions. To ensure that finances are properly controlled, all organizations must have policy and regulation. The key objective of the Act might be summarized as being to modernize the system of financial management in the public sector, enable public sector managers to manage, but at the same time be held more accountable, ensure the timely provision of quality information, and eliminate the waste and corruption in the use of public assets. The Act, which came into effect from 1 April 2000, this section revoked national legislation to establish a national treasurer to introduce uniform treasury norms and standards. The prescribed measures to ensure transparency and expenditure control in all spheres of government. The PFMA adopts an approach to financial management which focuses on output and responsibilities rather than the role-driven approach of the previous and hardware acts. Generally recognized accounting practice. A. Uniform expenditure classification, and B. Uniform treasury norms and standards. The PFMA makes an attempt at codifying the duties of managers. The PFMA refers to duty of utmost care, the request to be taken by manager. 3. Financial accountability. No paper of this nature can be complete without emphasizing the importance of accountability as it related to finances. Accountability for performers is critical for a public service that is charged with the important responsibility of implementing government policy and managing public resources. Accountability has been variously defined. Some common definition as follows. Accountability is the obligation to render an account from the responsibility conferred it pursues the extent of at least two parties, one who allows responsibility on and one who accepts it with the undertaking to report upon the manner in which it has been discharged. Accountability is the liability assumed by all those who exercise authority to account for the manner in which they have fulfilled responsibilities entrusted to them. For understanding the dynamics of financial management, because organizations are dynamic, financial management decision-making takes place within the context of the dynamics surrounding the organization and includes the associated financial risks. The focus of financial management is strongly towards an awareness of the environment in which we operate. Financial management is an integral part of management and made up of a number of distinct processes that happens in a critical way. This information of a financial nature is constantly being fed by the system applied clearly. Financial managers must not be procyclical and have a global view of the and what it hopes to achieve. It implies but supporting the strategy through funding, so that value is added to the organization. The South African Public Service has yet to achieve this. Financial management includes financial planning and budgeting, financial accounting, financial analysis, financial decision making, and action. Financial planning is about making sure the organization can survive, making sure the money is being spent in the most effective and effective way, value for money, making sure that the money is being spent to fulfill the objective of the organization, and being able to plan for the future of the organization in the realistic way. 5. Budgeting. It is of utmost importance that the Constitutional Court align its operational plans to that of the DOJ on CD strategies plan in order to give effect to the vision of the DOJ and CD, which is access to justice for all. As you are all aware, a budget is a financial plan drawn up for the purpose of managing financial resources properly. An organization must have a set policy about the budgeting process, which will address the following question. A. Who is responsible for the process? B. Who will draft the budget? C. Who will be consulted in drawing up the budget? D. When shall the budget process start? Budgets are useful for the following reasons. It forces management to plan their way, reducing the number of opportunities of the execution. If the budget process is effective, staff may feel motivated to work hard to achieve both strategic and operational objectives. It allows managers to control business activity by comparing actual outcomes to the budget. 6. Challenge that we face in executing our tax. There are a number of challenges facing court in the budgeting process. The lack of an operational plan that supports the key priorities of the overall department strategies can be a barrier to achieving the broader objective of the organization, can be result in the incorrect identification of key priority areas, and this then result in wasteful, fruitless, and unauthorized expenditure. Thank you.